everyone, I'm Meghna of class 5A of CP Goenka International School, and I got this amazing assignment about biomes from Nishi ma'am. So thank you Nishi ma'am for this assignment. So first, what are biomes? So in simple term, a biome is a large area with a set of ecosystems that share the same abiotic characteristics. Basically, you can say the same climatic conditions. So let me tell you the types of biome. First, there is the desert biome, there is the aquatic biome, there is the grassland biome, the forest biome and tundra. So, ma'am has told us to make 2 or 3 biomes, so I'm going to show you the ones that I have made. So this is my desert. So let me tell you what is a desert first. So deserts are extremely dry region with sand and rocks. So deserts are of many types. First, hot and dry. Second, semi-dry. Third, coastal. Fourth, cold. So as there are not many tall trees in the deserts, there are not many animals. So there are animals like reptiles and rodents there. And you can see that there are plants which are succulent, which can store the water so they don't die. Like we all say mostly that in deserts there are cactuses. Desert receives 20 centimeter of rainfall per year, and some deserts are so hot that before the rainwater even touches the ground, it evaporates. And the animals usually come out in the night and they are called as the nocturnal animals. Coming to some of the important landforms of the desert. First is oasis. So oasis is like a small area of water where there is vegetation and humans and animals come here for water. Then there is wadi, which are dry riverbeds and they only contain water when there is rainfall. There is a river named Luni over in the deserts, which is a seasonal river. This river only contains water when rain comes. Then the most important parts are the sand dunes. The sand dunes are the small hills of sand which occur because of the blowing of the wind which happens. Sand dune comes in many shapes and sizes, like crescent shaped or with horizontal lines. This happens because of the wind which is blowing. And because of the wind which is blowing there are many sandstorms. So this is the famous Thar desert of India, and you can see rodents and reptiles here. And this is semi-arid, so there is scattered vegetation over here and the animals come out in the night only. So you can see that this is a camel, and camels are known as the ship of the desert. They have 2 eyelashes to protect themselves from the sandstorms. Coming from an extremely hot and dry climate to an extremely cold yet dry climate. Here's the tundra biome. So the tundra biome receives 25 centimeter of rain per year and the temperature goes below minus 34 degrees Celsius. The animals that you can see are like penguins and polar bears and seals and sharks. So the animals which live on the land, they have fur to keep themselves warm from the severe winter winds. And the plants which grow here are like lichens and moss. They grow in clusters to keep themselves warm from the severe wind. Also coniferous trees are here so that they can protect themselves from the ice which is falling. So the animals which are here, they hibernate for 6 to 8 months to keep themselves warm in the cold frigid. It can be continuous 6 months of days and 6 months of nights in the poles. Now coming to my favorite biome, the forest biome. The forest biome is divided into 3 parts. First, it is the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforest has broad leaves because it rains a lot so that the water can slide off. The tropical rainforest, they give out a lot of water which makes a lot of rainfall, and as the soil is loose, it keeps on flowing and they do not shed many leaves, and so they are not rich in organic matter. Climate is hot and humid because of the transpiration, and because of the canopy that the trees form, only little bit of sunlight can come through. Now let's come to temperate deciduous. So these forests, they shed their leaves loose. So these are rich in organic matter. They receive extreme dry season and extreme wet season too. Now let's come to coniferous. So in this, the trees and the leaves of the trees they are cone shaped so that the ice can shed off. So the forest biome make up 30% of the land cover. And these biomes, we all know why they're important, because they take in the carbon dioxide and give out the oxygen, and they even play an important role in transpiration. So you can see the forest biome which I've made over here. You can see I've made a waterfall, I've made the trees, and you can see that this is under the mud. So this is an ecosystem which is under the mud with earthworms which are living there, and then there are caterpillars and ladybugs. Let's end the video with a pledge that we will increase the number of forests much more than 30%. And bye guys!